Today we will talk about an operator called extend in KQL, and we will use this operator to extend our current data set into multiple columns as per our need, and we will also understand when to use extend with a pipeline or when to use multiple extension of a column on a single extension command. Now to do that, we will start typing with sign in logs, and we will go a little further in time so that we can get some more context to add details to the data. So you go back in 7 days, and we will also apply a filter on user principal name contains this user, and we would summarize the max of time generated. And let us run this base query, and once we do so, we will see the result as the date of 15th, which is sometime back from today. And what we would also do is now we will extend to get more data around that. To do that, we will type in the extend operator, which also comes in intelligence, and we can pick from there, and we will end it with a space, and we would say logged of since and equal it, and we would do a date time difference with maybe in second, and try to find the difference from now and the latest time generated. And the reason it is max underscore because we have figured out the max time. Now if we run this query, all right, and we look at, it has shown the session or shown the seconds from when it is last logged in. Now if we want to kind of rewrite the same details, all right, so all you'll do is copy the entire logged up since, and instead of second we will do minute, all right, and we will run the query once again, and you will observe that it has overwritten the second output with the minimum output because we're extending the same variable one after another, right? Now to extend it a bit further, let us try to kind of take extend option, and we extend with a new column wherein we directly specify that we will be finding the difference in minutes. So we kind of copy the previous tab and paste it here and run the query. And once we do so, the result says a different column with logged on since minutes, right? Now let us say we want to understand, we want to learn, right, how many days the user has logged in since. So what we would do is we can actually put multiple columns, all right, multiple columns available in the same extend fees. So we would say logged up since day, and only parameter change will do is day. And as you can see, it is basically deriving off from the time generated max column, which is already have output in the previous data set here. Right now we're gonna run this query, and there is an error because I highlighted that particular column. So we should click here, let the query get selected, and run this. So once we run this, we see logged off since. Right now, let us say we want to derive the days from the minute itself. So what I could do is take the since variable and divide it by 60, which becomes an hour, and divide it by 24. All right, and let us try to run this. And as you can see, this cannot resolve, and for this what you do is delete the comma and add one more extend over here, and you see the error is gone. And once we run the query, it should show us the days as well. And the reason it shows, right, because the logged off since minute is actually giving output at the end of this extend command. Now the next pipeline basically makes the previous column available to manipulate it or to be recalculated in. That was about extend operator.